Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are going to solve this equation and calculate the value of n. So the first thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce the power 3 divided by 3 on both the parts of the equation. So it goes like this, where 3 raised to the power n is raised to 3 over 3 plus 2 raised to the power n again raised to power 3 over 3 is equal to 35. Now after this we are going to shift this power which is in the denominator inside the bracket. So this now becomes 3 raised to the power n divided by 3 whole raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power n divided by 3 whole raised to the power 3 is equal to 35. Now after this what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this part as x and this part as y. So that means the value of x would be 3 raised to the power n divided by 3 and the value of y would be 2 raised to the power n divided by 3. So now technically what this means, this is x cube plus y cube is equal to 35. Now after this we have to solve this equation and calculate the values of x and y. So in here in this part we can apply the identity of a cube plus b cube. So the algebraic identity for a cube plus b cube is given as a plus b multiplied by a square minus of ab plus b square. So this now means this can be written as x plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. Now this 35 can be broken down into multiple factors. So this can be written as 1 multiplied by 35 or 5 multiplied by 7. Now let us take case number 1 where we take the first pair, that is 1 and 35, as one of the answers. So this is x plus y is equal to 1 and x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 35. So these are the two equations down here. Now after this it can be easily concluded that if you use the substitution method further to solve the equation, then it would be really simple. But instead of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to square this particular equation on both the sides. So that means this now will become x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 1. And now let us subtract the equations. This is minus 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 minus. So x square and y square gets cancelled out. This is minus of 3xy is equal to 34. So that means we now have a situation where the value of xy comes out to be minus 34 divided by 3. This now is the value of xy. So clearly this particular value has to be rejected. So now we will shift on to case number 2. Now in case number 2 what will happen is the value of x plus y will be taken as 5 and the value of x square minus of xy plus y squared has to be taken as 7. Now let us square this particular equation on both the sides. So we now have x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 25. And now let us rewrite this equation. So x square minus of xy plus y square is equal to 7. Minus plus minus minus. So x square and y square will get cancelled out. So this is 3xy is equal to 32. Now from this equation, as you can see, this particular equation, which is x square minus xy plus y square is equal to 7, and the second one is x square plus y square. So now this would be equal to, this would be equal to 18. So that means the value of xy is equal to 6. So now we have the value of xy, and the second value that we have is x plus y is equal to 5. Let us resubstitute this value of y. So value of y comes out to be y5 minus x, and let us substitute this in this equation. So x multiplied by 5 minus x is equal to 6, which means the quadratic equation that we have is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, and then x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 0, which now gives us the value of x as 2 as first part of the equation and the value of x as 3 as second part of the equation. Now let us substitute this in y equal to 5 minus x. So the value of y comes out to be 3 and the value of y, the second value of y comes out to be 2. So these are the two equations that we have, which we obtained the answers out of solving. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.